Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Arts. So today I get to the following error notification while I try to watch my friend's WhatsApp story, and it shows there was an error playing the video, and this error message is only occurs if I try to watch the WhatsApp status. So anyway, if you have the same issue, just follow me friends. So before going to change any settings, first of all pack up your all WhatsApp chats. So how to do it? So just press this vertical three dots icon and then go to settings. So here you can click to access chats and then press chat backup. So here my backup storage is Google Drive. At same time, if you want to back up these chats to your Gmail ID, just press Google account and then choose your backup email ID, and also enable this option include videos, and this is for your choice. So once you done this processes, just close this WhatsApp, and if you are accessing this WhatsApp via mobile data network, just enable airplane mode for few seconds, and after the few seconds just disable it. So otherwise, if you are a Wi-Fi user, just check your Wi-Fi router if your internet properly works or not, and also check this WhatsApp permissions. So by simply long press on that WhatsApp app icon. So here you can press this icon, but most of the devices have the option of app info. So just press on it. So now you can click to access permissions. So here you can check it if all the WhatsApp app permissions are enabled or not. So if maybe one or two options are disabled, just give the access permission and then close all the settings window. And once restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, now you can try to watch your friend's WhatsApp status. So I hope this method will fix your WhatsApp status videos not playing issue. So if maybe not works, just comment to me. I give the another solution to fix this problem. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Arts, and thanks for watching.